The Mi Box 4K is the easiest way to upgrade an old TV to a new smart TV. For just 3,499 rupees, it brings along 4K playback capabilities, Chromecast, Android TV and a whole lot more. Hey guys, Ash here from C4E Tech, and if you do enjoy my video on the Mi Box 4K, then please consider subscribing and turning on notifications by hitting that bell icon. So this is the packaging for the Mi Box 4K. Inside we get the Mi Box, the wall charger, an HDMI to HDMI cable, and finally a remote control. That's it for the box contents, so let's quickly get back to the Mi Box itself. So shape-wise, the Mi Box 4K is quite light and compact. It weighs in at less than 150 grams and has a sleek black exterior. So this Mi Box can easily be tucked into a corner of the TV closet. Now ideally the Mi Box 4K should be hooked up to a non-smart TV, but for today's video we have connected it to a 55-inch 4K OnePlus TV. Now let's just switch over to the HDMI port and that's it. We are looking at the display output coming from the Mi Box 4K. Now we are connected to the TV via the HDMI 2.0B port here. Taking a look at the other ports, we have all of them to the back. Starting from the left, there's a 3.5mm jack that also works as the SPDIF audio out, the HDMI port, a single USB 2.0 port, and the power port of course. So no Ethernet or USB 3 support here, but then for the price, can't really complain. We do get both 2.4 GHz as well as 5 GHz Wi-Fi options here, and along with that, there is Bluetooth 4.2. In fact, that is how this remote's connected. So you don't have to point it at the box to use it or anything, you can just use it any way you want it, like you would with all other smart remotes. Now since the Mi Box 4K is running Android 9 for TVs, the remote here, it's pretty similar to what we've seen with other Xiaomi smart TVs. There's a dedicated button for summoning Google Assistant, so yes, this remote comes with a microphone for voice commands, and we also get direct buttons for Netflix and Amazon Prime. This seems to be something every manufacturer needs to include in order to get these streaming options available on their hardware. Talking about streaming, we have support for all the major ones, so apart from Netflix and Amazon, there's Hotstar and so on. They all work well on the Mi Box 4K. What's more is that this Mi Box 4K can output HDR10 compatible video, and there's also support for Dolby Atmos audio. So watching these streams on a screen that supports HDR and Dolby Atmos, like the OnePlus TV in this case, everything just looked absolutely gorgeous. Now to push HDR10 video feeds, the Mi Box needs internals that are a little more powerful than the regular run-of-the-mill Android boxes. In fact, it's not just Android TV that's running on the Mi Box 4K, we also have 4K Chromecast capabilities baked right in. On the hardware side of things, we are looking at a 64-bit quad-core 2 GHz processor coupled with 2 gigs of RAM and 8 gigs of storage. Now, 8 GB, it looks to be super low, right? From a phone perspective it is, but for a TV box that does not have to deal with the videos that we've recorded, the pics that we've taken, WhatsApp forwards, email attachments or heavy games. So as far as usable storage goes, we get around 3.6 gigs to download our apps and games. So well, that should be plenty for downloading apps. A couple of large games like Asphalt can fill it up really quickly. Speaking of gaming, the output here is capped at 60 Hz, and well, while it might not be the best device to play something like Asphalt on, as far as general performance is concerned, the Mi Box 4K remained pretty fast and snappy even after installing a few apps and games. Moving around the general Android TV interface or even navigating inside an app like Netflix, everything remained buttery smooth, and I didn't really notice any kind of frame drops or lag. Now I figured that was worth a mention since something like the first gen Amazon Fire TV stick, it does start to lag in a while once you install a few apps. Like any other device running on Android TV, we can also sideload APKs here. The USB port to the back supports external storage devices. We were able to connect a pen drive and play both 4K and 1080p files from there. Any which ways, the big feature that we have on this box, it's Data Saver. The Mi Box 4K comes with Data Saver built in. So if we are running it off a mobile hotspot, it wouldn't blow through our entire data cap in an hour or so. Data Saver is a cool little feature that we had seen before with Patch Wall, but it's now on the Mi Box 4K as well. One important thing here is that we do not have patch wall. Personally, I don't mind the absence of it, but I felt it was something worth pointing out either ways. Now, we've already mentioned the price of the Mi Box 4K at 3,499. It offers a lot of features for not a lot of money. So for anyone who's already got a good TV, but maybe it doesn't have any smart features or it has something outdated like the Opera Store, the Mi Box 4K will help give the TV a second lease on life, make it smart. Also, owners of the first gen Mi TV, Xiaomi is offering an extra 1000 rupees off. So basically, the Mi Box 4K can be had for as low as 2499 for the Mi TV for 55-inch owners. This seems to be Xiaomi's way of making up for not giving the first generation Mi TV 4 owners an update to the Android TV interface. Now, we've heard a lot of you guys complain about the lack of updates on that first gen TV. What do you think about this offer from Xiaomi? Are you okay with it? Are you happy about it? Or do you think it's too little too late and you wouldn't spend your money on another Xiaomi TV again? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. So that's about it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and please turn on your notifications by hitting that bell icon. Thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, my name's Ash. You've been watching C4E Tech, and I'm signing off for now. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.